latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The World Health Organization is looking to review the clinical trials of a potential COVID-19 vaccine named Sputnik V developed by Russia. Earlier on 11th of August, the Russian President Vladimir Putin had declared Russia as the first country to approve a vaccine, even though final stage testing involving more than 2,000 people was only due to start on 12th August. The World Health Organization has said that it is in touch with Russian authorities to review the vaccine. WHO is in touch with Russian scientists and authorities and looks forward to reviewing the details of the trials. WHO welcomes all advances in COVID-19 vaccine research and development. Accelerating vaccine research should be done following established processes through every step of development to ensure that any vaccines that eventually go into production are both safe and effective. Any safe and effective pandemic vaccine will be a global public good, and WHO urges rapid, fair and equitable access to any such vaccine worldwide. The world's premier health agency has listed 28 out of 150 potential vaccines as being actively tested on humans, among which 6 have reached phase 3 of the clinical trials, the final stage when candidate drugs will be tested on large groups of people. The Russian government has said that India, among many other countries, will conduct clinical trials. At least 20 countries had expressed interest in obtaining the Sputnik V, including UAE, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Philippines, Brazil, Mexico and India. However, several officials have stated that any trials of a vaccine will be done only after the approval of the Drug Controller General of India. And as far as our information is concerned, there is no movement on that front yet. Besides, there is also no data from phase 1 and 2 trial of the Russian vaccine yet. Media reports have claimed that Russia has approached Bharat Biotech to manufacture the vaccine in India. Sputnik V, Russia's COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Gamaleya Institute, had been under scrutiny. However, on 11th August, Russian Prime Minister Vladimir Putin claimed that the vaccine was given a regulatory approval just 2 months after the human trials had started. President Putin also claimed that the vaccine had passed all the required checks, adding that it was administered to his daughter. Russian officials have said that the country is planning to start mass vaccination in October. The World Health Organization also asked Russia to follow international guidelines while producing the vaccine.